In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best gas grills in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best gas grills in 2026. Number 1, Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle with hood cooking station, for burner flat-top propane grill, restaurant-grade professional outdoor griddle with side shelf and grease management system. Large 36-inch cooking surface. Spacious flat top allows you to cook multiple foods at once, perfect for family meals, parties, and outdoor events. 4 independent burners. 4 powerful burners provide adjustable heat zones for precise temperature control and versatile cooking. Built-in hood helps retain heat, protects the griddle from weather, and speeds up preheating. Restaurant-grade steel griddle plate. Heavy-duty steel surface delivers even heat distribution for professional quality results. Side shelf for prep and storage convenience. Side shelf offers extra space for food prep, utensils, and seasonings. Rear grease management system channels grease away for easy cleanup and less mess. Propane-powered, runs on standard propane tanks for flexible outdoor cooking. Easy ignition system. Quick and reliable start with push-button ignition. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with the Blackstone 36. Number 2, Charbroil Performance Series 2-burner propane gas grill, stainless steel cabinet barbecue grill with porcelain-coated grates, side shelf and warming rack. Powerful 2-burner system delivers up to 24,000 BTUs for fast heating and even cooking performance. 300 square in cooking area. Spacious primary grilling surface with an additional warming rack for indirect heat. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates retain heat, resist rust, and create perfect sear marks. Stainless steel lid and cabinet. Durable, stylish design built for long-lasting outdoor use. Electronic ignition, push-button start for quick, reliable lighting every time. Side shelf for prep space. Convenient area for tools, sauces, and food prep. Lid-mounted temperature gauge monitor internal heat without lifting the lid. Easy grease management. Removable grease tray makes cleanup fast and simple. The Charbroil Performance Series convective 2-burner propane gas grill is designed to deliver reliable performance for everyday backyard grilling. With 2 powerful stainless steel burners producing up to 24,000 BTUs, this grill heats quickly and distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking results. The 300 square inch primary cooking surface provides plenty of room for burgers, steaks, chicken, and vegetables, while the warming rack keeps food hot or allows for indirect grilling. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates retain heat efficiently and are easy to clean after use. Built with a stainless steel lid and enclosed cabinet, this grill offers both durability and a sleek outdoor look. The electronic ignition system ensures fast, dependable starts, and the lid-mounted temperature gauge helps you maintain precise heat control. With a convenient side shelf for prep space and an easy-to-remove grease tray for simple cleanup, the Charbroil Performance Series 2-burner grill is a perfect choice for home BBQs, patios, and weekend cookouts. Number 3, Char-Griller Smokin Pro Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker with Side Firebox, 1130 SQ and cooking surface, dual damper control and chrome warming rack. Black, model CG300442223, dual function cooker, serves as a heavy-duty charcoal grill and an offset smoker for versatile outdoor cooking. 130 SQ and total cooking area includes a large main cooking grate plus chrome-plated warming rack for maximum capacity. Side Firebox, dedicated firebox for genuine low and slow smoking and added cooking flexibility. Dual damper control, adjustable top and side dampers regulate airflow for precise temperature control. Durable steel construction, rugged steel body provides long-lasting heat retention and outdoor durability. Chrome-plated steel grates, easy to clean cooking surface with excellent sear and heat conduction. Convenient tool shelf. Front shelf provides handy space for prep, tools, and essentials. Large ash pan, easy removal and cleanup after grilling and smoking sessions. Take your backyard BBQs and smoke sessions to the next level with the Char-Griller Smokin Pro Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker. Built for serious grillers and smoke enthusiasts, this versatile cooker functions as both a robust charcoal grill and a dedicated smoker with side firebox, giving you authentic flavor whether you're grilling burgers or slow smoking brisket. Whether you're a seasoned pit master or just getting started, the Char-Griller Smokin Pro delivers authentic charcoal flavor and reliable performance for every outdoor cooking occasion. Number 4, Cuisinart CGG 8500 Side 5-burner gas grill, 50,000 BTU propane barbecue with 12,000 BTU side burner, cast iron grates, stainless steel prep tables, powerful 5-burner system delivers up to BTUs for fast heating and versatile grilling. 12,000 BTU side burner perfect for cooking sauces, sides, or boiling while grilling. Large cooking area 460 square in. Primary grilling space plus warming rack for extra capacity. Cast iron cooking grates, excellent heat retention for even cooking and bold sear marks. Stainless steel side tables, spacious prep areas for tools, food, and seasonings. Easy ignition system, twist to start ignition for quick and reliable startups. Propane fueled, uses standard propane tank for convenient outdoor grilling. Durable construction, built for long-lasting performance in all seasons. The Cuisinart CGG 8500 side 5-burner gas grill is a powerful and spacious propane grill designed for serious backyard cooking. With 5 high-performance burners producing BTUs, this grill heats quickly and provides consistent, even heat across the large 460 square inch cooking surface. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, family gathering, or weekend cookout, the Cuisinart CGG 8500 delivers power, space, and convenience in one complete grilling station. Number 5 Best Fire Tabletop Gas Grill. Portable 2-burner 20,000 BTU stainless steel propane barbecue grill with foldable legs for outdoor patio, camping, tailgating and RV trips. Powerful 2-burner performance. 2 burners deliver up to BTUs of total heat for rapid and even cooking. Portable stainless steel design, durable and corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction built for outdoor use. Compact tabletop size, ideal for patios, balconies, camping, tailgating, RV adventures, picnics, and small outdoor spaces. Foldable legs, easy set legs provide stability when grilling and fold flat for compact storage and transport. Propane fueled convenience, uses standard small propane tanks for quick setup and flexible positioning. Easy ignition, simple manual or push button ignition. Gets your grill going fast. Removable grease tray, collects drippings for easier cleanup after cooking. Versatile cooking, perfect for burgers, steaks, hot dogs, vegetables, seafood, and more. Take your grilling on the go with the Best Fire Tabletop Gas Grill, a portable and powerful propane-fueled barbecue designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With 2 high-output burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs, this compact grill heats quickly and cooks evenly, making it perfect for backyard gatherings,